How to change Buy It Now button color in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change Buy It Now button color in Shopify. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and then log in into your Shopify account. For that, go ahead and type in www.shopify.com. and this is going to direct you to the official web page. Here, make sure that you've already logged into your account. So in order to make changes with your Buy Now button or the color, you'll need to head over to the left hand side bar, and from there you need to go ahead and tap on online store. After that, it's going to take you to the detail info page of online store. Here you need to scroll down a bit, and right in between there is a three dot icon next to customize. From the drop down menu, click on edit code. This is going to direct you to the other interface. And while you're on this page, head over to left hand side bar, and right at the bottom go ahead and tap on assets. After that, you'll need to click on BCSS. So after you tap on it, on the right hand side bar, you can see there are a lot of codes. You'll need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you must be able to see a new line. So as you can see, this is the particular one. So basically what you'll have to do is right over here you need to paste in the code. So the code, I will make sure to leave it on my description box below. So as you can see right at the bottom, there is a line. Now what you have to do is you need to open up a new tab. After that, you'll need to type in the link pastebin.com. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After that, here you'll be able to see the code. So all you have to do is just select the code first of all and then copy the code. So once you're done copying it, right over here you need to paste it right at the bottom. As you can see that the code has been pasted. So what you need to do is you need to change the color of this bracket. So you need to copy this code, and after that open up a new tab, once again paste in it. So after that, what you'll have to do is you need to select the color, which is located right over here, and then open up a Google search and paste in right over here. After that, it's gonna show you how to pick a color. So now go ahead and pick a color, whatever the color you want. So after you're done making changes with your color, you'll need to copy this code, which is right over here, and here you need to paste it. After you're done making changes with the information, if you want to make changes with the background information or the color, you can do the same procedure that I've shown recently. And after you've done making changes with the information, just tap on the save button located right on top. After that, you need to log out of your Shopify account, and after you've done that, then you've successfully changed the color of your buy button. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.